Season 4, 5 small books chiropractors can read in less than a day to transform their life and practice. And by the way, true wellness in the workplace, if you know that, look, it's so small, if you know that chiropractic influences not only back pain, neck pain, headaches, enhances and improves people's health and quality of life, what if you knew how to communicate to an executive in your practice, or a business owner in your practice, or a patient who has influence in human resources within your practice about the role that chiropractic has on improving workplace productivity and performance, including profitability? What if you knew that chiropractic really changed organisation success levels because of its impact on the health and well-being of people adjusted within that organisation? You could read it in half a day, know that information, educate your patients and transform your practice. That's why I like to read.